Hey, and welcome to this yoga class. We are doing poses today that ease period pains. And if you are like me, that you don't want to take any medicine for the pain, these can ease it quite easily and actually quite rapidly if you can bring yourself to relax. Take your bolster and place it on the top of your mat. Come lie on your back. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed here and bring your arms to your shoulder level. Make sure that your shoulders are really relaxed here, and if not, place your arms a little bit lower. Then you can have your knees open to your sides and bring the soles of your feet together. Just breathe and relax here. Inhale fully. And when you exhale, try to extend your exhalation so it is twice as long as your inhalation. And let this breathing pattern relax you. Then slowly and mindfully sit up. Leave your feet as they were and come to your forward fold. You can have your bolster underneath your forehead. Make sure that you feel really comfortable here. Continue breathing in fully, filling your lungs completely, and doing the same in your exhalation, exhaling fully and emptying your lungs completely. Then come up to seated. Open your legs wide and then come onto your forward fold. Again, you can place something under your forehead. Just make sure that you have really comfortable position here to breathe. Breathing in fully and exhaling fully. Then slowly and mindfully come lying on your back. Straighten your legs. Lift up your right leg. Grab hold of your big toe and just bring your foot to your side. Opening your hip. You can have your left hand to your side or you can place it over your hip. Making sure that your hip is pressed down, your palm is down, so you are not going to twist yourself to the right where you are opening your leg. Switching sides, lifting up your left leg, grab hold of your big toe and bring your left leg to your side. Breathing in fully and breathing out fully. Just feel if there's some tension in your body, if there's some pain in your body, and try to just breathe through that feeling, trying to let go. Prepare yourself to come onto your all fours to your tabletop. And on your tabletop, make sure that your knees are below your hips and your wrists are below your shoulders. And have that feeling that you're tucking in your belly button a little. With your inhalation, bring your shoulders back and down, lift up your chin, and with your exhalation, bring your chin to chest and round your upper back. And be really mindful of your core, so you are not overdoing that movement. So inhale, lift your gaze up a little, bring your shoulders back and down. And with your exhalation, round your upper back, bring your chin to chest. Continue doing this for 2 times. Last exhalation, rounding your back, bringing your chin to chest. And then bring your toes under and come onto your downward facing dog. Make sure that your thighs are engaged, your back is long, your core is engaged. Press your fingers firmly on your mat. And remember that you can always have your knees bent a little. Sit back on your heels and you can have your hands over your head. Just find comfortable position for here to breathe. Also, you can bring your arms beside your legs if you feel more comfortable that way. And then just try to find comfortable place for you to breathe. And breathe in fully and breathe out fully. And then prepare yourself to come into your reclining twists and come lying on your back Lift up your heels toward your chest. Start turning your knees to your right, bringing your arms onto your shoulder level, trying to keep both your shoulder blades firmly on your mat. Actually, that is the main issue here. So if you don't feel comfortable in your knees, you can maybe have something like cushion or bolster or something under your knees, so you feel comfortable staying here. And if you feel comfortable in your neck, you can start bringing your gaze to the opposite direction from your feet. Your gaze or your face, because you can always have your eyes closed. And few more breaths here. And then slowly prepare yourself into switching sides. Again, remember that you can take your time, move slowly and mindfully. And once you come in the middle, if you want, you can always straighten your legs before switching sides, if you feel that you are not in a straight line there. And then bringing your knees to your left. Your arms are still in your shoulder level. And again, make sure that your shoulder blades are firmly in the ground on your mat. And find your breath here. Breathe in fully and breathe out fully. Few more breaths here. Coming back to center, bringing your knees to chest. Just hugging your knees. Maybe you want to rock your body from side to side a little. And then open your knees to your sides and grab hold of the inside of the sole of your feet and come to your happy baby pose. So the soles of your feet are pointing towards the ceiling. And then again hug your knees in. And prepare yourself to your savasana, your final relaxation, which is the most important part of the yoga practice. And just breathe here and let every exhalation bring a little bit more relaxation into your body. And let that relaxation rise up from your feet all the way to the crown of your head. Maybe scanning your body while you are breathing if you feel some tension. Maybe direct your breath into that place for a little while, trying to let go. I want to share a quote with you today, and it goes like this: a bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because her trust is not on the branch but on its wings. Always believe in yourself. Then start to wake yourself up, bringing a little bit movement into your body. And when you feel that you are ready, you can come up to seated, finding comfortable position where you can sit your back straight and long, your chest open. This is your time for gratitude. Bringing your palms to your heart center, lifting your thumbs in between your brows, making a little bow to say thank you. Namaste. And see you in the next video. Bye.